Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to create Steam account using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Steam. And then you want to click on this specific link. So click on create a Steam account. Here you want to click or type your email address. Okay, so let me just go ahead and do that. Confirm your email address, so just go ahead and type again your email address. Here, country of residence, and you need to verify that you are not a robot. Okay. Now you want to click on continue. So now just go ahead and open your Gmail to verify your account. Okay. So just go ahead and click on the verify my email address on the email that is sent to you by Steam. So now I'm just gonna click on continue. Now create your account. So just go ahead and put your Steam account name and your password. Sample work 1 2 3. Now your password. So now click on done. So I'm just gonna save it. And now as you can see, I already created my Steam account using my mobile device. Okay, so that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.